Hi guys, how are you doing? Guys, I'm so excited. Can you see the growth on our channel, Marai? The growth is too much. I appreciate you guys so much for the support. Your comments, your subscriptions are really helping this channel. We are growing, guys. We are growing. Like, I don't know by the end of this year what is services hamba or how many subscribers. Like, it's really looking good for us. For those who don't know me, I am Priscilla Mahlangu, and welcome to our beautiful family. I hope you're gonna stay and join us. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please guys, if you have not subscribed, please do the right thing. Please do the right thing. We are back with another vlog. So it's a Sunday today, and I am preparing a Sunday lunch. We might have visitors today, I'm not sure. They said they're gonna confirm, so I already started preparing food. I hope they're gonna come because I'm cooking a lot of food. It's gonna be a waste if they don't come. So yeah, let me take you to my kitchen. Sipheke sonke, nginika ama recipe. But I'm cooking what I love to cook. I'm sure you've seen me before, like cooking what I'm gonna show you. So yeah, guys, let's go and get to the cooking.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, my love.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're good. I'm also good. I am glowing. All is well. So today it's a Tuesday, the 6th of June. So today, guys, I received a very emotional message from one of you on my Facebook. The lady inboxed me, and she actually was replying from one of my stories that I posted a long time ago. So you know, when you're not friends with someone on Facebook, the messages go to requests, and I hardly check requests, you know, because it is always full of those guys who are proposing you, or hey, hi, beautiful. So I hardly check those messages. So the lady was telling me, Uti, she's enjoying my vlogs, even her kids know me by now. And I was like, yo, that is so sweet. Yeah, and she got deeper and told me how my vlogs make her feel. And that was a very touching moment for me, because there was a time where I was asking myself, why am I actually doing these vlogs? Why am I putting my life out there? You know? And that was actually a confirmation. Also, you know what? There are people who watch your vlogs and they feel a certain way. They feel lifted up. They feel some type of hope. Some can relate to you. Some get encouraged. You know what? Life can get better. You know? So yeah, that was very touching and encouraging. So yeah, like I feel so good. I feel so motivated to keep on doing this, you know. And it is actually something that I enjoy myself. I feel, I don't know how to explain this. It feels good, you know, to create these vlogs. I'm also someone who likes watching vlogs. I do watch other creators and it feels good, you know. I think vlogs should be added as part of therapy, because you know, you feel some type of way after watching a vlog. You could be feeling so sad, and after watching a vlog, like, you feel so good, you feel so encouraged, and maybe you found a certain vlog that was talking to you, and suddenly you feel like your questions that you had are actually answered. So yeah, like that was actually good, guys. And your comments as well, like, they keep me going. And there are also others who come to my WhatsApp, my friends, the people I'm close to, and some on Facebook. Yeah, they do tell me they enjoy the vlogs. And at first I thought maybe it's because these people are like close to me and they're just trying to encourage me to keep going on YouTube. So when it's like people that I don't know, like, it's a confirmation, man. You know what, those people are not actually saying this just to make you happy. They are really enjoying these vlogs. So yeah, guys, we are going to keep on pushing, and we are going to buy a camera. This year I will be saving a lot of money for the camera. By December I should be owning a camera, and we're gonna take this content to the next level. Because right now we're just filming on the phone, so it's not bad, but I want us to do better, you know. Yeah, and we can't wait to get paid on this channel. Like, it is slowly getting there. And please, guys, watch these videos till the end, please, because I need those watch hours. You know, it's not easy to reach 4,000 hours. Like, imagine people spending 4,000 hours on your channel, on all your videos. That's the amount that I need. So I am pleading with you guys to watch till the end, so that we can grow, so that our channel can grow, so that we can get money, so that we can buy things that are gonna improve our channel. Okay, right now I'm just gonna prepare a meal I think I'm gonna make pap, chakalaka, and wors. Yeah. So yeah, let me go and do that now.
I'm not sure of what I see. Cupid, don't for me. Are you telling me this is a sign? She's looking in my eyes, and I don't see no other guys. Are you telling me this is a sign?
Hi guys, how are you doing? Quick update. It's a Friday today and I'm heading out to go do my nails. As you can see, we are not looking cute right now. So yeah, I'm in a hurry. I'm so late, so I am going to do my nails now. Let's go.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to make a nuisance. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me. I want in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me.
Guys, is it me or like getting out of the house is so expensive? Like the moment you get out of the house, you are going to spend money. I'm so exhausted. Okay, so we came back. Our nails are done. We are happy. I bought myself some chicken licking, feed my cravings. I have a surprise for you. Come and see. Come and sit here. This boy has just came back from school. How was school?
Fine.
It was fine. Do you remember what I said I'm gonna buy for you? What did I say I'm gonna buy for you?
Two.
Clothes. I already bought you clothes. What else? You don't remember?
Toys.
No, I never said I would buy you toys. I told you I will never ever buy you toys. Show our friends your book. We bought a maths book.
So that I can count.
Yes, you can count and color. It's very nice. And ta-da!
Reading books.
Yes, reading books. Remember you said you want to read.
When I'm sleeping.
Yes, bedtime stories. Say thank you, Pet.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, that's not all. There's something else.
Thank you, Mama.
We're gonna put your money to show our friends. Show our friends. It's a purse. He's gonna put his money because we're always struggling with the money. And lastly, crayons. So at Hello, I bought these sponges for makeup. Also bought these pencils. These are brown and this one is black. I also bought some lashes. I have makeup clients tomorrow, so I was preparing for that. I also bought these. They are so nice. A wig cap. It's 5 rands. Very cheap. I also bought a knife. I broke one of my knives, so, and this one was 10 rands, guys. And I also went to Clicks. I needed some concealer, a lighter one because I have a darker one. This one is from Wet n Wild and it is 82 rand 95. And that's all, guys. That's all. Now I just wanna eat my wings.
No, I can't eat it. Is it nice?
Mm-hmm. So you don't want some?
Yes, it's too hard for me.
It's too hot for you. Since when?
Because last week I was not a break. Today I'm not eating. Eat. We are going to eat with your
My what?
husband.
Yes, I will eat with my husband because you are boring.
For what?
Bye, guys.
With Lily.
Yeah, they are so hot. Bye. I will see you tomorrow.
Close.
Not us basking in the sun outside. We haven't been in the sun in the longest time. Yo, it feels so good, but now I feel sleepy.
You need to cut this Javis.
Need to cut it.
Cut it.
Why?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no
Yes.
Hi, girl. How are you?
Naturally, I'm fine and you?
I'm good. So tell us, how did you find me?
Yo, I found you. Oh, Husiami told me about you,
Okay.
and then she told me your YouTube name. Then I started liking your videos, your content.
Thank you.
I love it. You inspire me, like yo.
Oh, thank you.
Yo, I've been watching your videos, but yo, I'm shy to comment, but then don't worry, I'll work on that.
Okay.
I'll start commenting.
No, I
love your
appreciate you
content.
watching.
Yes, I love your content.
Oh, so
And your
sweet.
food.
Unfortunately, I couldn't cook today.
Yo, they look yummy. One day I wanna taste them, Shem.
Yeah, I will cook for you next time. Ne?
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hi guys.
Happy with your makeup?
I'm very satisfied with my makeup. I like the outcome.
Okay. We are happy. You look so gorgeous. And happy birthday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, another gorgeous. How are you?
I'm okay, thanks. And how are you?
I am good, thank you. And are you happy with your
Oh,
makeup?
I'm more than happy. I'm excited. I'm more than happy. Shum.
If you're happy, I am happy.
Yes, thank
And
you.
you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Bye.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you. But I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Yo, guys, it is so cold. Like, yo, in times like this, I miss Mpumalanga. I can't stand Gauteng. Like, the cold is just too much for me. You know, I just want to sleep the whole day when it's cold like this. And I don't like that because I get so lazy. I can't do anything. Ngapha we are experiencing an earthquake. Guys, what is happening in Gauteng? Like, hey, you know, so if there's a disaster in South Africa, it seems like in Gauteng, Sizofa Kala, guys. Like, what was that? In the middle of the night, 4:10 in the hour. Gaga. Yo, that was scary, guys. That was scary. I was sleeping and my husband was busy screaming. Shake and yo. That was a disaster, guys. Yo, that was so scary. And in my life, I experienced earthquake, tremor, whatever you call them. This was the third one. I remember the first one, we were in Northwest, Klerksdorp. in the middle of the night, guys. Sizwa ngathi siyangenelwa lapha indlu nje. And then the second one was last year. And then this one was the worst. Like, it was so strong. Mina, I cannot deal with Gauteng. I'm leaving. We have come to the end of our vlog. A lot has happened. So I was using that combo, bicarbonate and vinegar with washing powder to remove the stains from my son's t-shirt, because that t-shirt is still new, guys. And they were drinking cough mixture and it spilled over the t-shirt, and you know how hard that is to remove. So I used that combo, and yeah, I let it stay overnight, and I tried to wash it after a few hours, and the stain was still there a bit, and then I just left it. And yeah, when I checked it again, the stain was gone. Like, that is a plug, guys. Vinegar and bicarbonate is the plug. Like, it can get any stain out of your clothing, you know. Next time, don't struggle. Just put your mixture there and soak whatever, yeah, and you are good to go. We have come to the end of our vlog, guys. I really enjoyed making this vlog for you. I hope you enjoyed watching it yourself, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your beautiful comment so that I can see you, and yeah, so that we can grow. I will see you guys on my next video. I am signing out. Bye.